Hey, what's going on guys? Eric here from Eric and Myles, and as you guys know, recently I've been getting a lot into film photography, and so recently I picked up the Canon A-1, and so I bought it recently and I wanted to go out and shoot a couple rolls. So a couple of days ago, me and some buddies that I live with, we went to a local park. It was okay because we weren't near anyone else, we were by ourselves, so we were social distancing and everything. We were doing our part. I shot a roll of Kodak GOLD 200 and Kodak UltraMax 400, and yeah, let's see how this played out.
Does beer get better with age? No,
not all. Ales do.
Pale ale is hard to drink. Shut up.
You're not a real alcoholic.
I know. Cool.
Shooting Kodak Gold 200 on my AE1 or A1 now. Hoping it performs. You know what I'm saying? 'Cause this is an expensive paperweight. If it doesn't, this is some super clear water.
Shade of green.
Hey, this ain't still water. What the heck?
Okay, so this part I wanted to chime in for. I don't really know what happened here. I'm pretty sure I think I was shooting this part on program mode, and I might have accidentally bumped it down to 1,000 shutter speed, because program and 1,000 are right there. I should have had the rotary guard up. It has a nice rotary guard, so you can't do that, but I think I accidentally did that. That's why all these shots are super underexposed, but I fixed the problem later.
Girls that have sex with you.
Yeah, that's my boy. Alright, I don't know if you'll be able to hear me, but it's whatever. I just finished a roll of Kodak 200 Gold, and now I just put in a roll of Kodak UltraMax 400. So hopefully these mediocre films do. what you got there? Oh yeah, that's viral. That's super stuff. Damn.
It's actually good that it broke now, because if it would have broke while I was in the middle, I would have been mad.
I'm having some trouble with it now. Whatever shutter speed I change it to, it makes like probably a 15-second exposure sound. I'll test it right now. So I just cranked it. It's at 125 shutter speed. Yeah, that was like 2 seconds. No, that was like a fourth of a second. Not very encouraging. Scared like 6 rolls are gonna be completely ruined. 6 shots. So I figure out this problem. Very annoying. And it wasn't happening up until now, so and at least 1 roll was fine. Like 1.5 rolls are probably fine. But these remaining shots are gonna be annoying if they're ruined. Alright, so now that we're in a car, you'll be able to hear the problem I'm having. 25 speed.
It's pretty dancing.
You can see that.
And there's no screen on it, so it's broken.
It's true. But then, listen to this.
Hello, ladies.
What the? Not one even go.
They got the
See? See how long that took? That ain't right.
That's part of the camera, man. That's part of the mechanics.
Not to be shuttered for that long. It was just clicking weird, so all those photos should be fine, but listen. That's on 2-second exposure. So that's good. And then when I crank it up to 1,000, it's just the mirror is taking a minute to flip up. See? And that was quick. So we should be fine. That's encouraging. But now I have to roll all this film back up to 24.
Alright, and that is the video. As you guys saw, there was something going on with my mirror flipping up super slow, but I eventually figured that out. And it didn't affect any of the images. I was just freaking out because I thought it might, but it didn't. So here, this is what it sounds like now. That's at 125, here's 1,000 speed. So I did fix the problem with the mirror flipping up, so that's completely fine. And overall, I really like how these images turned out. I shot it on a 28 2.8 lens, so something a little wider than usual, wider than the 40 and 50 I've had before. I really like this camera, and you guys will definitely see more videos about it coming out in the near future. Let me know if you guys like film photos or these film videos. I really like doing them. I think it's what I'm into now. Film photography is super fun. It's a lot more satisfying than digital photography, so that's why I'm making them. Yeah, that's pretty much it. See you guys next time.